Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and log in your account. Then just go ahead and click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. So now, just scroll down until you see Profile Settings. And now, just go ahead and scroll down again until you see your Facebook information section and click on Download Profile Information. So now just go ahead and click on Request a Download. And here you want to click the complete copy. And here you can choose the delivery method, the format, media quality, and date range. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Submit Request. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.